A hidden oasis in Arizona, still rocking through the pandemic? Lake Havasu coming up next.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Have you ever heard the song London Bridge is Falling Down? Well, before the bridge was to fall down, a businessman named Robert McCulloch decided he wanted to bring it to the desert. The London Bridge, which is the centerpiece of Lake Havasu, Arizona, was purchased for $2.5 million in 1968. In 1971, the London Bridge became the second most visited attraction in Arizona. As you tour the bridge, you'll notice some different stuff, like on both sides of the bridge they have this wall of locks. Another lesser known fact about Lake Havasu is the bridge was built before there was even water for it to span. We ended up catching the town when it was basically asleep, mostly due to the pandemic. Well, if you stroll across and around the bridge, you'll notice that there's little bars and shops and restaurants to peruse. They even have a London-style telephone booth. There's a little community of restaurants, bars, and shops along the man-made pier area where you can also rent party boats, jet skis, and other water activities. You can crisscross this area and find bars, restaurants, and shops. And you can also rent jet skis, party barges, and other water activity equipment. Save some room for the ice cream shop. London Bridge crosses a narrow channel that leads from Lake Havasu, a segment of the Colorado River, to Thompson Bay. As stated before, the channel was carved into the lake's peninsula and made into an island, so the bridge would have something to span to. The bridge was purchased to attract new visitors and investors and people to actually live there. The plan actually worked. It went from 300 residents to 10,000 residents from 1974 to 1975, and today houses around 52,000 people. Lake Havasu also has a reputation in pop culture. MTV Spring Break, Girls Gone Wild, and movies such as Piranha are etched in people's minds as all-time classic pop culture moves. Or not. But the place also has some pretty good breweries and restaurants, so Havasu's worth a check out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.